Accountability is one of the most powerful tools to improve your results in any area of life. But what exactly is accountability? Simply put, it means taking responsibility for your actions and being answerable to someone or something for what you do. When you are accountable, you are more likely to follow through on your goals. This happens because accountability creates external pressure. Knowing that someone else is watching or expecting results motivates you to stay focused and work harder. Research shows that people who have accountability partners or groups achieve their goals much faster than those who try to do everything alone. Accountability reduces procrastination and increases commitment. So why does accountability work so well? First, it provides clear expectations. When you share your goals with someone, you are less likely to forget them or put them off. Second, it offers encouragement and support. When things get tough, your accountability partner can help you stay motivated. Third, it creates consequences. If you don't meet your commitments, there might be a real cost, like losing trust or respect. Now, how can you get accountability in your life? Here are some simple steps. Find an accountability partner. This could be a friend, family member, coworker, or mentor. Choose someone you trust and who will check in with you regularly. Set clear, specific goals. Make sure your goals are measurable and realistic. Instead of saying, "I want to exercise more," say, "I will exercise for 30 minutes 3 times a week." Agree on check-in times. Decide how often you will update your partner on your progress. This could be daily, weekly, or whatever works best for you both. Be honest and open. Share your successes and struggles. If you miss a goal, don't hide it. Talk about what happened and how you will improve. Celebrate achievements together. Positive reinforcement boosts motivation and makes the process more enjoyable. If you don't have someone to hold you accountable, there are other ways to create accountability. You can join a group with similar goals, use an app that tracks your progress, or even make a public commitment on social media. In summary, accountability helps you stay focused, motivated, and consistent. It turns your goals into real actions by creating responsibility, support, and consequences. The key is to find the right accountability system that fits your life and stick with it. Start today by choosing one small goal and finding someone to hold you accountable. You will be surprised at how much faster and easier it becomes to reach your goals.